And as we can see, I've taken the bed out, and it's also, it's evident it's badly rusted. My plan is to take this old bed, replace all the spindles. These are the what's that drives the blade underneath, and I can purchase these new parts like blades, spindles, blades underneath, of course, spindles and pulleys from America. I can order them online, and of course the pulley and here the belt. Refurbish this bed, shove it back underneath, and we should have a working lawnmower back on, a riding lawnmower. Creating fortune. It's just taking something that's less worthy and turning into something viable and productive. Or save you a fortune if you can do it yourself. But to me, I'm using this as a project to teach us some of my views what you can do. Just with some simple tools. See, as you can see, I haven't got a lot of tools. I'm just using what's available around the garage. But because I got probably a pretty good mechanical mindset, I can take this and turn it into something profitable and usable. And of course, this bed, this base, I'm going to get it sandblasted and see how good it is, if it's worth reusing or scrapping the whole thing. According to the Scrutineer Sarah, he's doing his own scanning. He doesn't look too impressive, but he's on to it. He's on to it. Anyway, follow me with some of my project. This is just one that I'm taking on to categorize and show exactly, film by film, how it's done. And it's not that sort of difficult to take the bed out. It's held on with braces, for about 4 of them altogether, that allows the base, of course, to lift up and down to allow you to mow your lawn at a certain height. But anyway, Stephen R. Ford once again, creating fortune and repairing an old ride-on lawnmower will help me save extra cash so I can invest. And if I can do this project for less than $500, then we have done pretty well. Of course, as I said earlier, these ride-on lawnmower, they're worth right about $12,000 to $25,000 each. So I'll be saving myself a bundle if I can repair this successfully. Okay, guys, this is Stephen R. Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortune for the future. God bless you. We love you. We'll see you on my next video. See you for now.